Welcome everybody. We are again with another interview brought to you by Onwe Film Festival and Craft and Images. Today we are in conversation with RJ Glenn. He is a radio presenter at Fever 104 FM and also actor. Again, adding to it, a TV show host. Either khatam nahi hota hai. He is also a dancer and a trained professional in dancing. He's worked as a dancer, and in free time he gives you English sessions on his YouTube channel. Am I right? Am I right? Yes, am I?
Yeah,
Yes.
Instagram and YouTube it is.
Yes. So let us start from the beginning. How did you started your journey as a radio jockey? Because this film festival's targets at students, right? So as a student, how did you started your journey?
And honestly ना मुझे I love the art of storytelling और मैं बचपन से ना ऐसा था कि 90s का बच्चा हूँ तो आपके दिमाग में आपके DNA में डाला जाता है लिटरली जब आप पैदा होते हो कि तू डॉक्टर बनेगा तू इंजीनियर बनेगा क्योंकि ये दो कूल प्रोफेशंस होते हैं एंड इट्स ऑलवेज टोल्ड टू यू सो 90s का बच्चा हूँ तो ऐसा ये था दिमाग में कि हाँ मैं बोलता ना तू स्कॉल्ट है ब्रो तू स्कॉलर टाइप है तू स्कॉल्ट है तो तेरे को ना 85 के ऊपर आया ना ब्रो हाँ ब्रो तू स्कॉल्ट है ब्रो तू 85 के ऊपर लाया ना तेरे को साइंस करने का है ब्रो साइंस नहीं किया तो ब्रो CS और CA करने का है ब्रो आर्ट्स वार्ट्स नहीं करने
क्लियर
एग्जैक्टली ब्रो ये ब्रो मेरे लाइफ में बहुत ब्रो थे तो मैंने भी सोचा या ब्रो आई शुड बी डूइंग दिस ओनली बट देन व्हाट हैपेंड इज आई हैड दिस knack of picking up accents my mother realized when I was growing up I could recite poems very well. I was very expressive and I didn't have any stage fright. And one thing that I think was the beginning of everything, the genesis was the time when I used to go to my neighbor's house. हमारा ऐसे रो हाउसेस हुआ करते थे तो हर एक के घर में ना अलग अलग मैं एक पैन इंडिया सोसाइटी में रहता था. My best friends were Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Hindus, everybody. I partied with everybody. I celebrated every festival. Like I used to call my neighbor there was another chacha who was who would stay 2 blocks away. So we had like this. अगर पूरा भारत देश देखना होगा आपको तो आपको मेरे उस एरिया में दिखता ऐसा था हमारा. तो मेरी अपब्रिंगिंग ऐसी थी कि मैं हर एक के घर में जाके थोड़ा खाना खाता था. And I was that kid. So I used to pick up accents. I used to go and pick up accents and I used to come and replicate and I used to go and come home and impersonate all those people at my home. And my mom said, "इस बच्चे में talent है इस बच्चे में talent है
bro."
I like to believe I am. So that's when she decided कि चलो यार इसका थोड़ा हम इसके skills को develop करते हैं. She started coaching me in elocution, poems, poetry, debates, public speaking and all of that. And फिर वहीं से journey शुरू हुई यार.
And this is how you started. So we want to talk about you interning as an RJ because a lot of students are into internships. And what was your experience as an intern?
यार मैं 3 टिप्स देना चाहूंगा पब्लिक को और मैं फटाफट इसको कर देता हूँ. 3 टिप्स बिफोर यू गो फॉर एन इंटर्नशिप. ओके, don't go to an internship and bullshit to your employer that I travel a lot. What is your travel? Please explain to me what have you traveled a lot. I have people. What do you like? I travel a lot, sir. Okay, where have you traveled? So I travel every day from like Churchgate to Virar, sir. That is not traveling. Next. Just to sound like a pseudo intellect.
Correct.
Don't tell me, sir. I read a lot of books, sir. What books do you read? I read a lot of books, sir. Lot of books. What books do you read? So I read a lot of books, sir. No favorites, sir. I read a lot of books, sir.
No favorites.
I can tell you, you're lying. You don't read books. तू book पढ़ता नहीं है. तू खाली Facebook पढ़ता है. And third.
Okay.
Third. Lastly, just be honest. Just be yourself. Don't come to an interview and bro your interviewer. The person who's taking the interview, don't bro him and don't dude him or her. You can't do that. It's not about respect. It's not about इसको इज्जत देनी चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए. ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. लेकिन ये basic etiquette होता है. Don't come in like yeah bro, yeah bro. ये जो yeah bro yeah. No, it's not even about being on the ground or it's being grounded. It's just that you've not met the person.
Correct.
It's not about me. You've not met the person who's interviewing you. Don't go like yeah bro, yeah dude. The moment you say dude and bro to the person who's interviewing you, he will ask you to leave, dude. Like dude, go dude.
Go.
So my only and you can chill with the cool quotient during the
Correct.
interview and show your chill quotient once you get the job, the internship, and then grow from there. And then bro and dude everybody you want. But start easy. Just
Start
relax
easy.
a little bit. Yeah.
So now next, I'm going to show you 3 posts from your social media account and you need to tell us the story behind them. All right?
Oh my God.
Yes.
This is interesting. Wait.
Deep down through your profile to get this one. Yes. Come on.
Okay. So
What is the story behind this?
okay. So in 2009, that's I'll tell you. The picture to the left, the 2009 one, was when I was shooting for Ashutosh Gowarekar's film as a backup dancer, as a background dancer for the film What's Your Rashi.
Oh.
That's when Priyanka Chopra. Yes, that's me on the sets of What's Your Rashi. That's when Priyanka Chopra and my guru Terence Lewis were featuring in a song for the film, and we were company dancers as a part. I was a part of his company, his dance troupe. And
Otherwise,
that's me. Yes.
What?
Oh, the other one is just me being Wayne. I worked very, very hard to get to that body.
Correct.
And I'm just showing off over there. That's it. Nothing else. I'm being very honest. वो खाली show off था. वो मुझे दिखाना था ऐसे मेरा 10-year challenge. हाँ तो मैंने वो डाल दिया वहाँ पे.
ये. Oh my God. I can't pose for a selfie like that. I can't pout like that. Come on, you have to do a point.
What?
Is this a pout, right? You're pouting in the picture.
I can't hear you.
Hello? I'm saying you're pouting in the picture now. Not even me can, as a take a selfie that perfect. It is amazing. Where are you? Like in this picture?
Well,
where were you?
I'll tell you what. So this picture was taken way back in 2018 December.
Okay.
I was in South Africa in Kruger National Park. So I was doing this safari in Kruger National Park, which is one of the biggest national parks in South Africa, one of the biggest safaris. And I remember the lighting was perfect. Somehow my hair looked perfect, except for the vest that I'm wearing, which looks very, very garib, but it's okay. But so I think everything. I think it's just a perfect lighting ka kamal. And the pout, no, it's natural. Yeah, I think I start talking. If I'm in Bandra and I start talking in Bandra, that's what I said. If I start pouting in Bandra, my pout reaches Khar. Because my pout is so big. Like I can do that.
This is the last one. Oh my God.
Yeah.
I remember this is a video, right? This was a video and you were...
Yeah, this is a video.
Shots on your head. What is the story behind it? Why shots?
I think nothing. That's my excuse me. Don't ask me why shots. That is my latest haircut. Okay, you don't see the fringe and don't you see that long silky hair of mine? Hello.
Forgive me for not noticing your haircut.
I'm sorry. This is my fringy haircut and my long silky bal. Look at that. Look at this. Look at the way my hair is flowing.
Oh my God.
Basically, this was just my so-called auntie special. I've heard a lot of people in and around me. Like I told you, I pick up accents from places and I've heard people talk. Obviously, this is not exactly how people talk, but this is a little caricaturish version. I'll impersonate someone for you. You tell me who this person is, okay?
Oh, okay.
Let's go for
it. Let's do it.
All right.
10 साल हो गए मैजिक को स्टेज पे परफॉर्म किए, लेकिन आज भी कुछ बदला नहीं. ये गाना उसका था और उसी का रहेगा. Ladies and gentlemen, मेरा भाई, मेरा दोस्त, Joseph Mascaridis.
That is Farhan Akhtar. This was my next question, doing mimicry, and Farhan Akhtar was the first name. Okay, next one. Let's do this. Instead of me telling you, I'll guess. Next.
I mean, what is this?
Hrithik Roshan.
I mean, मैं क्या कोई Japanese school girl हूँ? I mean, tell me to slap him.
Oh.
Mushi.
No, I mean, seriously. Tell me to slap him.
I mean, अभी क्या भी आ सकते हैं. Like, wow. No, I can't do it, yeah.
Oh my God.
It's tough for me to do it, but दिल चाहता है यार.
अरे वाह. So let's hop on to the next question. The next question is, as you are an RJ now, and any of the awkward moments that you faced as an RJ with while interviewing somebody, and then you just couldn't do anything, and it was really embarrassing for you at that point?
Embarrassing moment while interviewing somebody. You know, knowing me as a person, no, embarrassment हुआ है situation, लेकिन मैं
हाँ.
खुद पे बहुत हंसता हूँ.
हाँ.
मैंने अगर कुछ गड़बड़ कर दिया ना तो मैं हंस लेता हूँ. सामने वाला हंसने से पहले मैं खुद पे हंस देता हूँ, क्योंकि मेरे को मालूम है मैं वहां पे I laugh because then it helps me also deal with the situation. And I
Correct.
think there have been times where I have messed up a sentence or mispronounced a word. मैं इंग्लिश पाठशाला करता हूँ अपनी इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल पर RJ Glenn Live उस हैंडल पर, and there are times I have mispronounced Hindi words.
अरे.
और मैंने खुद की जो मैंने बैंड बजाई है उसके बाद, और जो मैं हंसा हूँ. और एक बारी तो ऐसा हुआ है कि my mummy is a teacher and my mom is a darling. She's taught me all my school life and all of that. So one day I mispronounced a word. I was confused about something. I called her up live on my radio show. And you know how mothers are, no?
Correct.
I'll tell you, this is the most embarrassing thing that happened. I thought my mummy would be like, "Arey beta, sweet," and all of that.
Huh.
But my mother bajawed me on live radio. Say, "Hey, this is how I taught you. What is wrong with you?" And I'm like, "Mummy, you're live. You're live. I don't care if I'm live and over. You can't understand the difference between this and this." I'm like, "Mummy, I called you so that you can explain, not shout." It's like, you keep quiet. First, you understand. This is the difference and this is so much common sense you don't have. Huh? And you're talking all this on the radio like this? And people are laughing outside my studio. I'm like, मुझे लगा ये कंटेंट जो है वो बहुत मजेदार होने वाला है, बहुत हंसी आने वाली है. The joke was me. Joke मेरा बना. But that's the best part, right? See, there are certain things that that are unplanned that I always say are the most wonderful experiences that anybody can have. Like life happens to most of us when we are busy planning other things.
Correct.
I remember giving this TED talk also once.
Acha. Yeah, I saw that on YouTube. So next is, see, not everything, my question comes with that. Not everything goes as you plan it to be. How do you face when like you had कि अभी तो ऐसे ही होगा and it does not happen? Not failure, but it does not happen as you planned. How do you you get really?
Problems are never going to leave us.
Correct.
Problems are never going to leave us, and if we all, first of all, the best way to deal with any situation is accept certain universal facts.
Correct.
I believe this. This may not be for everybody, but I believe that problems are here to stay. है ना? अपन को क्या करना है? We have to make the best out of the current situation that we have. अभी ये बोलना और philosophically ऐसे झाड़ना as one problems are here to stay. It sounds very easy, but for people actually facing them, it's very tough. And I'm not trying to trivialize anything over here. All I'm trying to say is there was a very famous dialogue in the movie Spider-Man. With great power comes great responsibility. I say with great responsibility comes great power.
Okay.
When you start taking responsibility and onus of your actions, when you start taking बोलते ना जिम्मेदारी, हमको बचपन से हमारे माँ बाप कहते हैं ना जिम्मेदारी लेना सीखो, कुछ जिम्मेदारी नहीं लेते हो, जब तुम माँ बाप बनोगे तुमको समझ में आएगा, जब तुम्हारी शादी होगी तुमको समझ में आएगा, जिम्मेदारी. If you actually think about it, the standard Indian parent, जिम्मेदारी कब लेना सीखोगे? The moment you start taking responsibility, you start becoming more and more, you start becoming happier, because happy in the sense because you are responsible now. You know that you are the only one who can sort this out. Like during this entire lockdown phase, a lot of people have been demotivated. A lot of people have felt low. I have felt low. I have had days where I'm just down and out. Now, I'm not saying this is a universal funda and formula, but I exercise at least 5 times a week, or I stay next to the beach. Correct. So I'm lucky enough. So when the beaches were open, I used to go for a run. I wake up early. I go for a run when there is nobody on the beach, like as early as 5:30 in the morning. And as I'm running, I'm saying my prayers, or I'm positively saying things to myself. I'm filling myself up with all the fuel that I need to sustain through the day. And I'll be honest with you, मैं जितना positive लगता हूँ, I work on it every day. ये आसान नहीं है, बहुत. और हमारी जनरेशन में ना जो सब सोशल मीडिया पे है, कंपैरिजन चुटकी बजा के हम लोग करना स्टार्ट करते हैं. इसके पास ये, उसके पास ये. अरे सब करते हैं ये. सबके अंदर वो एक ईर्ष्या, जेलसी जाग उठती है कभी ना कभी लाइफ में. But you've got to tell yourself, boss, this is what I have, this is what I can do, this is the current situation. और इस सिचुएशन में मैं और मेरी जो सिचुएशन है यही प्रोड्यूस कर सकती है.
Correct.
डोंट बी लेजी, डोंट बी लेजी. एक दिन चलेगा, 2 दिन चलेगा, 3 दिन, बट इफ यू गो मोर देन, नाउ अगेन this is what I believe.
You believe.
This is my funda. This works well for me, may not work well for you, but if I act lazy for more than 2 or 3 days, I become like that, ekdam like that, so that I don't,
becomes a routine.
if I don't, yeah, if I do, exactly, you're right, it becomes a
Yeah,
routine.
this happens with me too.
Like the best way to, like for example, if I want to creatively channelize my brain, I start writing. अगर मुझे कुछ next week submit करना होता है ना, next Monday for example, तो मैं इस मंडे से लिखना स्टार्ट करता हूं ताकि my brain gets into the process. That's what I told you about internships also, right? In the beginning when we spoke, जरूरी होता है कि आप उस प्रोसेस में रहें, be in that process, stay in that process, understand कि आपको उस प्रोसेस में रहना जरूरी है, आपको उस प्रोसेस में उस एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन या उस टीम का हिस्सा होना जरूरी है, उस ग्रुप का हिस्सा होना जरूरी है, for you to understand the mechanics, back end work to achieve something. It's very important to be in the process and enjoy the process. And hence, like I said, and to answer the other part of the question about things not going as per my plan, a lot of things have not gone as per my plan, honestly. Not everything. I'm a very planned person. Like मेरी आंखें ऐसे बड़ी हो गई जो मैं बोला मैं बहुत प्लानिंग करता हूँ. मेरी एक एक्सेल शीट होती है कि मुझे क्या क्या वीडियोस डालने हैं, क्या क्या करना है, because I need something to refer to.
Correct.
Otherwise, you can find 1 million excuses in 1 hour to not do that particular thing.
But
that is
you
when I
only
have something
one
written
reason
down.
to do it.
Yeah. So I keep working. And there are a lot of times things are not going according to my plan. I felt bad. I won't deny it. I won't tell you all philosophical rubbish that, oh, मुझे बुरा नहीं लगा, I'm a motive. No. I felt bad. I marinated in my grief for some time that ऐसा नहीं हुआ. And then I asked myself, अभी क्या करने का? अभी क्या कर सकता है? I asked myself 2 questions and this works well for me. Again, people who are watching this interview, these things have worked well for me. If you can try them, if it works well for you, great. If it doesn't, if you know new techniques and new ways, please let me also know in the comments below. Yeah. So I would sit and I'd say, okay, I'm alive. I'm alive. I can breathe. And what are the next 3 steps I need to take to try and rectify this or change the course of my thinking? हुआ तो हुआ, नहीं हुआ तो मैं सो जाता है.
Netflix. So next I have this a very very amazing person gave me this idea. So I'll show you 3 props, and you have to tell me whatever comes in your mind first. Okay. The first one is a very very shiny red colored helmet which my father uses while driving his bike. So what thing comes in your mind after seeing a very uncleish helmet like that?
No. I think भारत देश में प्रोटेक्शन की बहुत जरूरत है.
Trust
Now आप समझ लो आपको कैसे लेना है इसे. हमारे देश में very very important.
Correct.
End of story. समझने वाला in all aspect. समझने वाले को इशारा काफी है.
काफी है. Next is green नारियल. Nariyal for you.
Hey.
I hope I could have.
I think if the coconut tree, the nariyal, I think this is savior. Every time after my run, if prior to the lockdown and this whole pandemic, this nariyal was my source of energy. I'd finish my run, have my nariyal, and suddenly this what's glow, this whole I'd suddenly feel like this is मैं समझ. तो मुझे लगता था मैं David Hasselhoff है. I run on Juhu Beach, so I every time I felt like I came out like this Baywatch scene, I'd come running to the nariyal wala slow motion में. I'd go to him and say, Anna, please, and he was sweetheart. He was a sweetheart, and he knew ये time पे आएगा ये ऐसा भागते हुए. And both of us had this eye to eye connection. मैं slow mo में भाग रहा है picture, वो ऐसा नारियल छील रहा है और ये लेके. So big hug to my nariyal wala dada. Big hug to Anna. Really
so last thing is kerchief, as ये सबकी best friend बन चुकी है lockdown में. Spatula, spoon, what do you call it? Kerchief in Hindi.
Spoon, spatula.
Yes. So what do you think of this? How much have you cooked in this lockdown? Come on, Glenn.
I have cooked, yeah. I mean, chamchas you have everywhere, literally. I mean, घर में especially.
बाकी सब जगह तो आते रहते. हर कोई काटा था।
हाँ, I must say, well said. नहीं तो I have cooked a little bit,
Correct.
but trust me, I am such a good chef, and I'm not even kidding you about it. That whatever I've cooked during this lockdown, honestly, and it's been such a therapeutic and cathartic experience,
Correct.
not for anybody else, but for me, because no one else ate my food. I had to only eat it.
No matter good or bad. So,
अभी वो कोई जज करने वाला था नहीं ना. मैंने जो बनाया मेरे लिए तो अमेजिंग था ही.
अमेजिंग था ही. कितने बर्तन धोए लॉकडाउन में? बिकॉज मैं तो बहुत धोए और इसलिए मैं मदर से कम बर्तन धो. तो
I'll tell you what I used to do sometimes. I used to be so pucked यार हर्षाली. कभी-कभी मैं वो बर्तन लेता था, बर्तन लेकर जाता था अपने डाइनिंग टेबल में, बर्तन में से ही खाता था because कौन एक और नया प्लेट निकालेगा यार.
उसको धोएगा कौन?
And I don't want. I used to eat from the बर्तन. और I'm very simple with my food also. I'm not very stressful. If I cook in the afternoon, whatever, I can eat it for like till शाम को भी. 2-3 अंडे बॉईल कर दिए वहाँ पे, and I can eat. I'm okay with it.
So,
I'm not fussy
now
about my food.
again on the note of bartan and cooking, I have one more task for you. Yes.
Okay.
So the task is you will get exactly 60 seconds to tell a recipe of your choice. Okay. But the twist is you have to tell the recipe in such a way कि आपको सामने वाले पे बहुत गुस्सा आया. मतलब मार ही डालूंगा. We have to see that also.
Ready?
Right. Your time starts now.
अंडा 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 अंडा. उफ तुम्हारा ये अंडा अंडा अंडा. इस काम का ये अंडा अंडा अंडा. कभी बॉइल्ड कभी भुर्जी. हाँ कहाँ लेकर गया ये अंडा तुम्हें? हाय.
Oh.
कभी शाकशुका. आज मेरे पास शाकशुका है, भुर्जी है, बॉइल्ड एग है, स्क्रैम्बल्ड है. क्या है तुम्हारे पास? तोड़ो इस अंडे को, बनाओ हाफ फ्राई और खाते रहो पूरी जिंदगी अपनी.
That look. Next recipe for 60 seconds, and the mood is you have to be very sad. Very, very sad. Whenever you're ready. Okay, your time starts now.
ठाकुर, मेरे छोले भटूरे आएंगे. मेरे छोले भटूरे आएंगे.
Oh my God.
तवे को फाड़ के मेरे भटूरे छोले आएंगे. गैस में उबलते हुए कुकर में मसाले को छौंक मारते हुए
Oh.
मेरे छोले भटूरे आएंगे. प्याज को काटते हुए, टीयर्स को रोल डाउन करते हुए, चाट मसाला डालते हुए, थोड़ा सा फ्राइज उसके ऊपर डालते हुए मेरे छोले भटूरे आए.
वो लुक कहाँ से आता है?
Yeah.
The end look of
वो
your
मेरा
hand is
वो
always
ऐसा वो मेरा
epic. Like. Oh.
वो मेरा वो बोलते ना माइक ड्रॉप मोमेंट. मेरा फेस ड्रॉप मोमेंट है.
Oh. Next. So as an experienced RJ, कुछ growing RJs के लिए ज्ञान कि what are the qualities you need to be an RJ? या actor, या anything, a host.
All right. So very simply, because we're low on connection and
Correct.
the connection is all. So just few things, guys. Remember one thing: you got to be good storytellers. Be very passionate about what you like, and be true to the art and the craft. Lastly, these are skills which require practice. You got to keep practicing, keep reading books, keep reading the Hindi newspaper. आप एक हिंदी रेडियो स्टेशन में अगर जाना चाहते हैं तो आप ये बहुत जरूरी है कि आप हिंदी न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ें. बहुत जरूरी है कि आप जो पेपर आता है उसकी जो उसका जो टेक्स्ट है उसे उस प्रकार से पढ़ें जिस प्रकार से आप उसको डिलीवर करना चाहेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ देयर इज एन आर्टिकल रिटन in a Hindi magazine, practice it in a way that you would deliver it on radio in case you want to be a radio jockey. Just practice these small things. Write in Devanagari script. बहुत जरूरी होता है क्योंकि जिस प्रकार I also write to improve my speaking skills. This worked well for me. I used to write in Devanagari my script or whatever, my pointers. जनरली लोगों को लगता है कि आरजे स्क्रिप्ट से पढ़ते हैं. हम लोग कोई स्क्रिप्ट से नहीं पढ़ते. ये प्रैक्टिस से हो जाता है कि आप में वो इंटरनलाइज हो जाता है वो पूरा किस प्रकार से बोलना है, कहाँ पे आपको अपना टोन, अपना your pronunciation, your stress on certain words, ये सब आ जाता है. It's a part of the job. But the pointers that I make, मैं हिंदी में लिखता हूँ. बहुत जरूरी है कि आप हिंदी जो लिपि है उसमें लिखें ताकि आपकी जो भाषा है वो इम्प्रूव हो. एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि मैं कोई एक्सपर्ट हूँ, कोई दिक्कत छू, I am also learning. You can never stop learning. आपको कितने भी डॉक्टरेट्स आपके हाथ में आने दीजिए, आप कितने भी साल रेडियो करें, कुछ भी करें, you're still learning. You're always going to be a student. You're never going to be a master. You can aspire to be that,
Correct.
but I prefer being the student
Student,
because then that keeps me
correct.
hungry. It keeps me going. And I'm very
More
curious.
better.
I like to ask questions. Yeah, I love to figure out new things. So yeah.
So chalo,
And yeah, stay chill.
So any messages you have for our Onvi Film Festival and participants, acting, the aspiring actors, directors, filmmakers, any message for them?
Yeah, the job that we all do now as artists is a very long road. Very long road. Sometimes it gets very lonely, it gets very stressful. A very important message आज के दौर में to everybody who aspires to be an artist, maybe a dancer, singer, actor, radio presenter, MC, जो भी आते हैं artist की category में, we work very hard. Sometimes we lose hope. Sometimes things are not
doing well.
as per what we planned, and this is bound to be. This is going to happen, irrespective. Try to stay focused. If you need help, please get help. Not just for artists, for everybody who's watching this video right now. If you need help, get help. Speak about mental health. ये बहुत एक essential issue है. ये बहुत एक important चीज है जिसके बारे में सबको बात करना ही चाहिए. If you're not feeling good about something, get help.
Get help.
It is very important. There is no shame. There is no shame. There is nothing to worry about.
Correct.
Get help. If you don't get help, that is something to worry about. But get help. Talk. And especially, we are hearing so many things about things happening around us, and
Correct.
it's a very difficult time for all of us. For everybody, not just artists, but for everybody. The world around is going through a pandemic. It's a crazy time. Keep your mental health as priority. बाकी सब life में पड़ जाएगा, line में आ जाएगा. Remember one thing that I've learned it very late in my life. But growth needs to be internal to external, and not the other way around. Externally सब एकदम cool दिख रहा है. Hey, मैं एकदम cool है. लेकिन internally आदमी पूरा भसड़ हो चुका है. That is not cool.
That is not cool. Correct.
Internally, try and wire yourself. Work towards growing as a person. Invest in yourself. I always tell people, invest in yourself. Invest in your in understanding who you are as a person, and you are your best friend. That's it. Nobody is your best friend. You are your best friend. So that's it, man. And this is what I feel. बाकी तुम लोगों को कुछ अगर अच्छा tips मिलता है, you know any other tips and all, comments पे बोला, comment section पे comment. And go follow my page on Instagram,
yes,
RJ Glenn Live.
Amazing content, and thank you so much for giving us your time, because I believe time is the greatest thing you can give to somebody. Thank you so much for giving Onvi Film Festival your time, and we're gonna end this interview on this note. Let's do a dap and end it. Okay, 3. Okay, 3,
2, 1, go.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye, Glenn.